Okay, everyone, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a decoration, how to make a wall decoration with elegant and modern vibes. And here I want to share to you about making the basic wall first. You have to make the basic wall with a rectangle or rotated rectangle right there. Then you can draw the shape. You can draw the plane just like this, and then you have to push it up until the height of the wall as you want. Then, for example, I just make the height of the wall is around 5 meters, and right there you have to make a group, and also you have to make the floor first for illustration between the floor and the wall. Okay, then you can make the some rectangle right there. You can make the rectangle, or you can set the height of the rectangle first. You can set the height of the rectangle is around 500, for example. Okay, this is about the height of the cabinet. Then you can make the cabinet on this wall. You can using the rectangle first. You can use a rectangle right there. Okay, then you have to push it to the front right there, and then you can delete some unnecessary object right there. Okay, then you can make the curvy edge on this by using the two-point arc for both corner. You can make it with a two-point arc on the both corner on the left and on the right side. Then you have to push it until the limit to the bottom, and then you can see, and then you can see about the basic shape of the cabinet right there, approximately just like this. Then you can make group. Then you can set the any color as you want. Maybe I just want to make the dark chocolate color right there for interior illustration. This is a dark chocolate color. Okay, then we can duplicate it by using a move and control, and then you can place on this right position. Then you can double click it. Then you can drag from the left top and then to the bottom of the right. Then you can see about the selected surface right there. Then you can select move. Then you can select a move, and then you can adjust. Then you can adjust for every single cabinet on there as you want. Because in this design, I suggest you to make the unique concept. I suggest you to make the unique concept with a different size of the cabinet. So there were some small cabinet, and there were some large cabinet right there. Maybe it's just a jumble arrangement of the cabinet on the wall. Then you can rearrange by your taste, by your desired design as you want. Maybe just something like this, and then you can make the another. You can make the another pillar right there. This is just for example. Okay, then you can set the color right there. Then you can set the color, and then you can make the component. Okay, and then you can move to the left position. Then you can set the one of pillar. You can set one of pillar right there. Then you can draw it manually with a rectangle, just like this. Then you can select and move and duplicate it and until this position right there. Okay, so you can duplicate, and then you can push it just a little bit to the back, and you can push it for every single rectangle right there. Then you can see about the result of the cabinet. You can see about the result. Then you can draw a rectangle, or start from here. You can draw the rectangle until this position. Then you can push it to the front until this position also. Okay, then you can make group. Then you can set the another surfaces by using material setting. You can using a material setting by using a stone maybe, or another material as you want, and maybe just something like this. Okay, then you can make the another um, stick. You can make the ornament, stick ornament. First of all, you have to make the cylinder by using the circle, and then you have to push it up until this position, and then you can offset it inside. Okay, yeah, and then you can offset it inside with any proportional as you want. Maybe you can offset it inside again, just like this. Okay, then you can click this outline. You can click this outline, and then you can select. You can press the shift on your keyboard, and then you can press click. Okay, then you can just make group, and then you can select it and push it until the upper position. Okay, then you can select this one, like move. Okay, and then you can right click and flip it along with the blue axis. Okay, then you can move until this position. Okay, okay, then you can select this one, and then you can select the outer cell. Then so you can see about the combination between the both of the stick. So you can set the stick until the ceiling. Then you can set the bottom of the stick until the floor. So because it's not only about the ornament, but it also about the structural. It also about the structural on this design anyway. Okay, then you can set the another material right there, just like this, or maybe you can select the dark color or dark gray color. Okay, then then you can select move and duplicate it for the any size with any position as you want. Maybe just like this, just like this, or the like or this one. It's depend on your taste of your design anyway. Then you can set the rectangle. You can select the rectangle, and then you can select this position. You can make the edge to be a smooth. Okay, then you have to make a group, and then you can select glass and just right there. Then you can move this position. Okay, and then you can adjust for every single shelf. You can adjust for every single shelf to be a great combination and great position, just right there. Okay, I mean it was enough. So you can explore by yourself with this tutorial maybe, and you can make the decoration on this every single cabinet, and then you can enlarge your pillar and with a duplicate maybe. This is for example. You can duplicate this one to make your desired design as you want. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.